welcome back to my channel. We are going on an adventure. Mexico, here we come. Yeah, I'm not even prepared. I'm not ready. Today is Monday. We leave on Wednesday, and yeah, tomorrow after work I gotta go get my nails done and my toes done, so I'm not gonna really have time to pack, so I am gonna do it right now. I was gonna do a mini little fashion haul, but I don't really have time to like actually put on all of the clothes. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna basically show you the outfits. Basically, I made the bathing suits into outfits. Every bathing suit looks like an outfit. So I'm gonna show you the outfits, and then I'll put some clips into the actual video of me in Mexico with the outfit on, looking cute, because you already know your girl. Okay? Period. So I'm super excited. There will be a vlog of Mexico, so stay tuned for that. Come along with us, like, comment, subscribe, get your tequila ready, because we about to turn up. All right, so some of this stuff that you're gonna see me put in the bag isn't actually for me, it's for the birthday girl. Her and I are in the room together, so I brought her something for her birthday every day that we're in Mexico, basically. Something small, not nothing too crazy or big or anything, but you'll get all that in the next vlog, basically, in the Mexico vlog. So I'm gonna just toss that in here. I think I'm gonna put my shoes on this side, put all my clothes on this side. I basically got everything folded, but I'm gonna slightly unfold them so you can actually see what some of the items look like. You know I'm a Shein girl, so all this stuff basically came from Shein, and for a decent price. Okay. All right, so we have this pink bathing suit, high-waisted, little bralette type top or whatnot. That's that. I got this cover up to go with it. Boop. And I'm thinking of wearing these little slides. Okay, something to wear to pool or whatever. Some of these outfits you may actually recognize from another fashion haul video that I did basically last summer. I was preparing to go to Mexico last summer and I didn't even get to wear half the stuff there, so I'm taking it on this trip as well. So this is just a two-piece shorts and a little tube top to go with that. I may not even wear, just like last time, I may not even wear it, but hey, I want to be prepared. I just want to be prepared. So I got some jean shorts. I got some other shorts. Both of these are basically the same type of shorts. The little paper bag top. I'm going to actually put that over there because we are having a photo shoot when we get there for her birthday. So I need that to be on top. Okay, so this is another bathing suit. This is actually the one I was going to wear for the photo shoot, but I changed my mind. I'm not wearing this one anymore. I'm wearing another one, but I'm still going to take that just in case. So it was like, it goes like this, and then this piece goes around the body as well. But yeah, I'm going to take it, but I'm not wearing it for the photo shoot. And here's a cute little cover up for it. Cute little cover up, something simple, nothing too major. Oh, and I'm supposed to put this scarf on with that look or whatnot, so we're gonna take that just in case. Put it in there. Pajamas. So I got her a pair or a set, and I got myself a set, and I am getting them to say, hers is gonna say her name and it's gonna say PGG. For y'all who don't know what that is, that's Pretty Girl Gang. So if you team PGG, you know, I'm thinking about actually, you know, getting some little shirts or whatever, or some little pajama sets made for PGG and BBO. If you don't know what that is, that's bad only or not. So pick a side, pick a side. You can be in both. I'm in both. I'm in PGG, or I'm with PGG and I'm with BBO. So those will be all done tomorrow. So those are gonna go on that side. I have this little swimsuit. So cute. So cute. It looks so cute. That's that. And it comes with a cover-up skirt to match it. Here's the skirt to match it. That's gonna be so cute. Hopefully they having a day party or something, because that's definitely giving day party vibes. It's gonna be so freaking cute. Can't wait. Yeah, I worked hard on this body this past 2 months. Okay, so something better shake. I have this orange one. How cute is that? Seriously, so freaking cute. And my nails are gonna be orange. So, ooh, sis is trying to bring the heat, okay? Trying to bring the summer fire. I got just a plain black cover up for that. That's that. This one is probably gonna be my favorite. This one is like this lime green color. It's a one piece, and then the back has like this little cute little detailing. But the look up under this mesh dress. Come on, boo. Boo boo. Don't play with her. She is not one of them. Do not play with her. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Put it all together in due time. So that's that. For her birthday dinner, I am wearing this cute dress. It's like a little cute slip dress. Girl, wait till I tell y'all the story behind this dress. But y'all gotta wait for that. Catch it in the vlog, in the Mexico vlog. I'm gonna definitely tell it in the Mexico vlog. So that's just the dress for her birthday dinner. I'm taking another dress just for the heck of it. I mean, who knows? Who knows? I may need it. Who knows? So I'm gonna take that as well. And then I also just have like some cute little loungewear pieces, shorts, top to go with it. Shorts, a little top to go with it. Take those just in case. I just want to be prepared for everything. How about that? I just want to be prepared for everything. I don't know about nobody else. I am taking these sweatpants because I'm probably gonna wear these on the way back because the planes be cold and I actually absolutely hate that. So I'm probably gonna wear them on the way back. For our excursion, I got this cute little sports bra style bathing suit, and it comes with like the typical bikini bottom. So I'm probably gonna have on those. And then I also brought like these just plain black Bermuda short type style or workout style shorts to put over top of that, over top of those bottoms while we doing like, I think we're going like ATVing, swimming, zip lining, whatever. So put all of that together. I also am gonna go ahead and bring these little shorts as well, maybe to possibly ride back to the hotel in, or ride back to the resort in. This is another cover up, just an all white one. I actually need to show y'all my photo shoot outfit, but I'll show y'all after these two sets. So I have this set, which I brought last year. Didn't wear it. Didn't wear it all summer or nothing. Came with a really, really cute top. Halter top. Hopefully your sis can still fit this. Hopefully sister girl can fit it. I'm concerned. I just got instantly concerned. And then this one, if you know me, you know I love sunflowers. Like, you probably like, well, why does she have all this stuff with sunflowers on them? But I love sunflowers, and it just comes with like a off the shoulder crop top. For that, this is another bathing suit I brought because the birthday girl and I was supposed to get like these black bathing suits. We was gonna get something screen printed on these as well, but we couldn't think of what to get screen printed on them. So that's the plan for like bathing suit. But baby, look, it's giving body. It's definitely about to be giving body. So that's gonna be real cute. Not even sure if I'll get to wear it, but who knows? Who cares? Put that in here. I gotta get a top to go with that those sweatpants on the way home. These are the shoes I'm gonna wear to dinner with that dress. These are the shoes I'm gonna be wearing on my excursion. I got some black sandals because, babe girl, you can't go wrong with black. I got these, of course, showed y'all these, and I got these to go with the orange bathing suit, and then I got these black sandals as well. I still need to figure out. I know I'm gonna take this beach bag, but should I take this beach bag? Would it be cute with the green or no? Is it pointless? Still debating on that. Oh, here's another one of her gifts. So I need to put that in here. And I have my beach hat that has to go in here. It's my beach hat, my beach bag. Here's the bathing suit that I'm gonna actually wear for the photo shoot. It goes like that, and then the bottoms. The bottoms, they go like this, and then this part wraps around your waist. So that's that. Put that over there because, like I said, I need that to go on top. I still have to. Oh, these are my swim shoes, and baby, they still got the Mexico sand from last year in them. So these need to be washed. I'm gonna wash those tonight. That way that they're done by tomorrow. I gotta take these to work with me tomorrow to finish getting the screen print and put on those. Yeah, it looks like we're basically done for the most part. I need to get some underclothes. I actually have my socks right here. My pajamas are over there as well. I need to fill this up with all my toiletries, but this probably won't happen until tomorrow because, yeah, you know, we use our toiletries every day. So that probably won't happen until tomorrow night. Yeah, now just to clean up. I'm too embarrassed to even show you what the room looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. I can't wait till y'all see the looks. It's gonna be so cute. And yeah, stay tuned for the vlog.